In January 2009, Bitcoin was born at a price of just Bilby Cold backs off 8. With $1, you could have bought 1,250 BTC. People laughed, they mocked it, they ignored it. By 2011, it hit $1. In 2013, $100. In 2017, Bitcoin exploded to nearly $20,000. Then in 2021, $69,000. And now, in 2025, Bitcoin has passed $104,000. Let's do the math. 1,250 BTC times $104,000 equals $130 million. That's the return on a single dollar if you held it from 2009 to today. The best performing asset in human history. Elon Musk saw it. In 2021, Tesla invested $1.5 billion in Bitcoin. Jack Dorsey, founder of Twitter, said Bitcoin is the future of global currency. Bill Gates once called crypto a tech fad. Now he funds blockchain innovation. Even Jeff Bezos has been exploring Bitcoin integration with Amazon. The richest men on the planet are either investing, adopting, or building around Bitcoin. Why? Because it's not a trend anymore. It's infrastructure. And when billionaires place bets, they're not gambling, they're calculating. So why is 2025 such a big deal? First, the Bitcoin halving happened in April 2024. That means miner rewards were cut in half, less supply, same or higher demand. That always pushes prices up, historically 12 to 18 months later. Second, Bitcoin ETFs were approved in the US. Now Wall Street, retirement funds, and pension accounts can legally invest in Bitcoin. And they are. Over $12 billion has flowed into Bitcoin ETFs this year alone. Third, global adoption. Countries like Argentina and Nigeria are turning to Bitcoin during currency collapses. El Salvador made it legal tender, and more are following. All of this is happening right now in 2025. Let's bring it back to you. Say you invest just $100 in Bitcoin today. What could that look like in 5 or 10 years? Let's look at compound growth. At 10% annual growth, $100 becomes $259 in 10 years. At 30% growth, $100 becomes $1,379. At 60%, Bitcoin's historical average, your $100 could grow to over $30,000. And what if you just did $10 a week? That's $520 a year. Over time, that adds up. Fast. You don't have to be rich to invest, you just have to start. As of mid-2025, here are the real-time signals. Bitcoin is trading over 104,000. BlackRock and Fidelity ETFs are holding hundreds of thousands of BTC. Coinbase has 50 million monthly users. Google Finance now shows Bitcoin as a default asset class. Amazon is testing crypto payments in select markets. MicroStrategy owns more than 200,000 BTC. That's not hype, that's action. Smart money, big money, billionaire money, they're all in. And while most people are still unsure, the wealthy are quietly buying more. Why is Bitcoin so powerful? Because it's everything fiat currency isn't. It is essentially, it's limited. Only 21 million will ever exist. It's decentralized. No government or bank controls it. It's borderless. Anyone, anywhere can use it. It's transparent. Every transaction is recorded publicly. Bitcoin is digital property. It's gold for the internet era. And it's the only asset that's not just surviving. It's thriving under pressure. Maybe you heard about Bitcoin in 2013, but didn't buy. Maybe you watched the 2017 hype and waited. Maybe you saw the 2022 crash and walked away. Each time the price came back stronger. Each time billionaires doubled down. Don't let regret be your investing strategy. Don't watch the next wave from the sideline. You don't need to be a trader. You don't need to time the market. You just need to start. Buy a little, hold it, repeat. History has shown that those who simply held Bitcoin became the winners. No one gets rich overnight, but everyone can start building today. The earlier you start, the easier it gets. You've seen it before. The headlines, the I should have stories. The regret of watching something grow while you stood still. That's not just Bitcoin, that's human psychology. The fear of missing out is real. But what if this time you didn't miss? What if this time you acted? This isn't just for tech nerds or day traders anymore. It's for countries, corporations, pension funds, and people like you. BlackRock, Tesla, MicroStrategy, even governments are investing or regulating it as an asset class. So if you're still wondering if it's real, the world's biggest institutions have already answered that question. The next chapter of crypto history is being written right now. You can be a part of it. You don't have to bet the farm, just start. $10, $50, $100, whatever you can. You're not too late, you're right on time. Bitcoin rewards the early, but it also rewards the brave. What you do next is your move. While your currency loses value every year, Bitcoin is doing the opposite. Central banks print money. Governments spend beyond limits. Your savings silently shrink. But Bitcoin, it's limited, fixed, unstoppable. 21 million coins, ever. No one can print more. It's not just about getting rich. It's about not getting poor. Bitcoin was the spark, but the future, it's far bigger than just digital money. This is about freedom, the freedom to own, to trade, to build without permission. Blockchain is reshaping everything. Finance, healthcare, education, governance. It's a system where your vote can't be erased, your money can't be inflated away, and your identity is yours alone. Decentralized apps are replacing banks. Smart contracts are replacing lawyers. Tokenized assets are unlocking global investment for everyone. In this future, your wallet isn't just for money. It's your passport to a new digital economy, one without borders, without middlemen, without barriers. Bitcoin was just the first chapter, the opening shot, the match that lit the fire. But what's coming next is exponential. And the best part, you're not watching history happen, you're part of it. You've seen what Bitcoin did. You've seen who believed early and how it changed their lives. The question now isn't, is it real? The question is, will you be part of it? You don't need to be an expert. You don't need thousands of dollars. You just need to start. $1, $10, $50, whatever you can. The world is shifting. The financial system is being rewritten in real time. And for the first time in history, regular people, not just banks or billionaires, can own a piece of it. This is your chance to act, or look back, wondering why you didn't. Be curious, be smart, be early, because the future doesn't wait, but it always rewards the bold.